Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going in with a natural makeup look. And first I'm gonna go in with my milk blur stick to fill in my pores. And next I'm going with this primer, and this is Too Faced primer, and it's mattifying. And sometimes when I'm trying new products, I will try to see if they have a travel size. So that's why this is so little and this is so little, because these are samples, like travel size. And if you like it, you can always buy the bigger size. So next time I go to Sephora, I'm gonna buy the bigger size than this. But this is my first time using this, so I'm gonna see how I like this. So the primer seemed to do a good job because my face looked pretty mattifying. So, but I would have to wear the primer with the foundation all day just to see how long is a primer going to help my oils. So I'm going with the Nars Long Radiant Foundation, and I'm going with my e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna put the shade that I am in the description. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take a closer look in my mirror, see everything is blended in. Okay. So I have two concealers by Nars, and these are the radiant creamy concealers. So I'm gonna go with this shade first. And now I'm done with that. I'm just blending the edges out. And for my contour, I'm gonna go with this Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade Espresso. So now I'm going to set my concealer with my Low Mercier powder, setting powder. And I'm just going to set in all the areas that I put the concealer. And if you want your concealer to last all day, then you should set your concealer. Well, any setting powder that you like. I just like this one because it doesn't make me look too white. And then when I spray my face, it sets into my skin. Like, it melts into my skin and make my skin look so, like, natural. So now... I'm gonna set my nose with concealer. With my powder. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus Rose Water. Then my lip liner in the shade Brown. Then for my highlighter, I'm gonna go with this Fenty Beauty highlighter. And I'm gonna take my brush and highlight my face. And now I'm done with that. I'm gonna set my face with the Cover X setting spray. Then I'm going with my mascara by Wet n Wild. My lips, I'm going with this MAC lipstick. I don't know what color this is because I had it for so long. So next I'm going with a gloss. My F gloss. And this is my final look. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, subscribe, like the video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.